Dear friends, കേരള PSC കേരള ടൂറിസം ഡെവലപ്മെന്റ് കോർപ്പറേഷൻ ലിമിറ്റഡിന് വേണ്ടി പ്ലംബർ ട്രേഡിലേക്ക് നടത്തിയ എക്സാമിന്റെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആണ് നമ്മൾ ഇന്ന് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഇതിന്റെ മീഡിയം ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് ആയിരുന്നു. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് തുടങ്ങാം. Question number 1. Domestic water supply system of bathrooms and lavatories -mm diameter pipes are used. Domestic water supply system of bathrooms and lavatories -mm diameter pipes are used. Answer option B 12 mm. Answer option B 12 mm. The system is suitable for towns growing irregularly. The system is suitable for towns growing irregularly. Answer option C tree or dead end system. Answer option C tree or dead end system. Copolymer vinyl chloride to be used temperature up to dash. Copolymer vinyl chloride to be used temperature up to dash. Answer option C. Answer option C 190 degree Fahrenheit. Hyperfiltration is also known as. Hyperfiltration is also known as. Answer option A reverse osmosis process. Answer option A reverse osmosis process. The flex of soldering stainless steel. The flex of soldering stainless steel. Answer option B phosphoric. Answer option B phosphoric. Unplasticized polyvinyl chloride are. Unplasticized polyvinyl chloride are. Answer option C both of these. Answer option C both of these. Maximum holding capacity of chain pipe wise. Maximum holding capacity of chain pipe wise. Answer option D 200 mm. Answer option D 200 mm. Naturally available zeolite color is. Naturally available zeolite color is. Answer option A green. Answer option A green. The ratio of RCC pipes. The ratio of RCC pipes. Answer option C 1:2:2. Answer option C 1:2:2. To carry mortar while pointing or plastering. To carry mortar while pointing or plastering. Answer option B hawk. Answer option B hawk. Resin melts at about. Resin melts at about. Answer option A 80 degree to 100 degree Celsius. Answer option A 80 degree to 100 degree Celsius. The top surface of thread. The top surface of thread. Answer option C crust. Answer option C crust. Soakage trench is also known as. Soakage trench is also known as. Answer option B dispersion. Answer option B dispersion trench. Pickaxe is made of. Pickaxe is made of. Answer option C tool steel. Answer option C tool steel. Pickaxe is made of tool steel. Water filtration is to remove. Water filtration is to remove. Answer option C turbidity. Answer option C turbidity. Mason's scaffolding is also known as. Mason's scaffolding is also known as. Answer option B independent. Answer option B independent. Towel rail fixing height. towel rail fixing height? Answer option B 1100 mm. Answer option B 1100 mm. Air valves are generally provided. Air valves are generally provided. Answer option D summits. Answer option D summits. Frequent adjustment required nut is. Frequent adjustment required nut is. Answer option C knurled nut. Answer option C knurled nut. Discharge from wash basin is called. Discharge from wash basin is called. Answer option B waste. Answer option B waste. How to express the water turbidity? How to express the water turbidity? Answer option D ppm. Answer option D ppm parts per million. Average thickness of plaster shall not less than. Average thickness of plaster shall not less than. Answer option A 12 mm. Answer option A 12 mm. Most commonly used section in grade aqueducts is. Most commonly used section in grade aqueducts is. Answer option B rectangular. Answer option B rectangular. IS code of squatting type water closet. IS code of squatting type water closet. Answer option A IS 2556. Answer option A IS 2556. Water may not contain much impurities if its source is. Water may not contain much impurities if its source is. Answer option C spring along hill slopes. Spring along hill slopes. Which hammer is used for spreading metal in one direction? Which hammer is used for spreading metal in one direction? Answer option B crosspeen. Answer option B crosspeen hammer. Tri-squares measurement accuracy. Tri-squares measurement accuracy. Answer option A 0.002 mm per 10 mm. Answer option A 0.002 mm per 10 mm. Which vise is used for holding small diameter jobs? Which vise is used for holding small diameter jobs? Answer option B pin vise. Answer option B pin vise. Centrifugal casting is a manufacturing method of. Centrifugal casting is a manufacturing method of. Answer option B CI pipes. Answer option B CI. Poisonous marking media. Poisonous marking media. Answer option A copper sulfate. Answer option A copper sulfate. Steel rule is made out of. Steel rule is made out of. Answer option C SS. Answer option C SS. Steel rule is made out of stainless steel or spring steel. The angle between the top face of the cutting point and normal to the work surface at the cutting edge. The angle between the top face of the cutting point and normal to the work surface at the cutting edge. Answer option D rake angle. Answer option D rake angle. Potable water pipeline color code. Potable water pipeline color code. Answer option A blue. Answer option A blue. Siphonic action is prevented by. Siphonic action is prevented by. Answer option C, windpipe. Answer option C, windpipe. For scribing parallel to datum surface marking tool. For scribing parallel to datum surface marking tool. Answer option B, surface gauge. Answer option B, surface gauge. Which type of chisel is used for separating metal after chain drilling? Which type of chisel is used for separating metal after chain drilling? Answer option B, web chisel. Answer option B, web chisel. The test of taste and odor of water is. The test of taste and odor of water is. Answer option A, osmoscope. Answer option A, osmoscope. Toilet paper holder fixing height. Toilet paper holder fixing height. Answer option C, 450 mm. Answer option C, 450 mm. General carpentry work using chisel is. General carpentry work using chisel is. Answer option B, firmer chisel. Answer option B, firmer chisel. In mixing tap, cold water connection is. In mixing tap, cold water connection is. Answer option A, right side. Answer option A, right side. Ferrules are made out of. Ferrules are made out of. Answer option C, brass. Answer option C, brass. Wash basin waist fitting size is. Wash basin waist fitting size is. Answer option B, 32 mm. Answer option B, 32 mm. Storage of water during rains for future use is known as. Storage of water during rains for future use is known as. Answer option D, rainwater harvesting. Answer option D, rainwater harvesting. Very easiest welding position is. Very easiest welding position is. Answer option A, down hand. Answer option A, down hand. Position of eccentric reducers are. Position of eccentric reducers are. Answer option B, horizontal. Answer option B, horizontal. Footrests of manholes are fixed at. Footrests of manholes are fixed at. Answer option C, 40 cm. Answer option C, 40 cm. The portion of the brick cut across its length is. The portion of the brick cut across its length is. Answer option D, bat. Answer option D, bat. Melting point of zinc is. Melting point of zinc is. Answer option B, 420 degrees Celsius. Answer option B, 400 degrees Celsius. Which type of fire extinguisher is used in welding shop? Which type of fire extinguisher is used in welding shop? Answer option D, carbon dioxide. Answer option D, carbon dioxide. Self-cleaning material is. Self-cleaning material is. Answer option A, vitreous. Answer option A, vitreous. Another form of coupling called. Another form of coupling called. Answer option C, extension piece. Answer option C, extension piece. Sanitary sewage is also known as. Sanitary sewage is also known as. Answer option D. Domestic sewage. Answer option D. Domestic sewage. Which one is used to remove drill and sockets from the machine spindle? Which one is used to remove drill and sockets from the machine spindle? Answer option A. Drift. Answer option A. Drift. Bronze is an alloy of. Bronze is an alloy of. Answer option C. Copper and tin. Answer option C. Copper and tin. Loading device is. Loading device is. Answer option A. Nuts. Answer option A. Nuts. Clearance angle of a drill. Clearance angle of a drill. Answer option A. 8 degree to 12 degree. Answer option A. 8 degree to 12 degree. Angle of Mason square. Angle of Mason square. Answer option C. 90 degree. Answer option C. 90 degree. Which one is the mechanical pipe joint? Which one is the mechanical pipe joint? Answer option C. Victaulic joint. Answer option C. Victaulic joint. The selection of pipe material is done by. The selection of pipe material is done by. Answer option B. Type of water flow and possible corrosive effect. Answer option B. Type of water flow and possible corrosive effect. Use of scriber. Use of scriber. Answer option C. Marking. Answer option C. Marking. Bricks are laid with frog. Bricks are laid with frog. Answer option A. Up. Answer option A. Up. Bricks are laid with frog up. Bricks are laid with frog up. File grade is determined by. File grade is determined by. Answer option C. Teeth space. Answer option C. Teeth space. Flanged joint is mainly used in. Flanged joint is mainly used in. Answer option B. Temporary joint. Answer option B. Temporary joint. Internal thread cutting tool is. Internal thread cutting tool is. Answer option D. Tap. Answer option D. Tap. Sum is constructed. Sum is constructed. Answer option A. Below ground level. Answer option A. Below ground level. An imaginary lines passing through the vertical joints in masonry work. An imaginary lines passing through the vertical joints in masonry work. Answer option B. Perpends. Answer option B. Perpends. External pipe thread have. External pipe thread have. Answer option A. Tapered. Answer option A. Tapered. Main part of trap. Main part of trap. Answer option C. Water seal. Answer option C. Water seal. Tap is used in wash basin. Tap is used in wash basin. Answer option B. Pillar cock. Answer option B. Pillar cock. Which valve is used in flushing cistern? Which valve is used in flushing cistern? Answer option A. Float. Answer option A. Float. Which dissolved impurities causes mottled enamel of teeth? Which dissolved impurities causes mottled enamel of teeth? Answer option A. Sodium fluorides. Answer option A. Sodium fluorides. Striking tool is. Striking tool is. Answer option C, hammer. Answer option C, hammer. Plumb bob is to verify the level of. Plumb bob is to verify the level of. Answer option A, vertical. Answer option A, vertical. Which is the velocity pump? Which is the velocity pump? Answer option C, centrifugal. Answer option C, centrifugal. Horizontal pipelines of sewer line and water supply line should have a distance of. Horizontal pipelines of sewer line and water supply line should have a distance of. Answer option B, 3 meter. Answer option B, 3 meter. Angle of single cut file teeth arrangement. Angle of single cut file teeth arrangement. Answer option C, 60 degree. Answer option C, 60 degree. Which material is used in soldering iron? Which material is used in soldering iron? Answer option C, copper. Answer option C, copper. Fixing height of sink. Fixing height of sink. Answer option A, 80 centimeter. Answer option A, 80 centimeter. Dear friends, our today's video is over. We will see again with a new video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.